Hey guys, what's good, what's good, what's good, what's good, what's good? You know, we're gonna jump right into the shoutouts before the video starts, alright? Today's shoutouts go to my girl Contortions. Now, she is following me, but she has an Instagram page with a nice fashion designing business. She does swimsuits and maternity wear and stuff like that. So I want you guys to head on over and check out her IG page. The link will be in the description bar below. Next shoutout goes to my girl Pressed by Jada, right? I want to shout you out, Queen. Thanks so much for watching. And the next shout out goes to Shen Official. I want you guys to check out all these people. The links will be in the description bar below. Head on over, subscribe, thumbs up, double tap, whatever you do. Just remember to tell them that Toya sent you, all right? You guys already know if you want a shout out, all you have to do is just hit that thumbs up button and drop me a comment. Let me know that you want a shout out and it will be done. So I'll see you guys in my next shout out section.
Like your pretty hair. Pull up your mouth. Hi, Octavia. Hi. Hi, Daddy.
Hi. Keep your head going back.
Bahia.
Everybody.
Alright guys, so we're reached. We're in the process of checking in, but I don't know, I never really get a formal intro, right? So we're here for the weekend. It was my mom's birthday on Monday. Because I did her birthday, we had do a little, you know, post-birthday type thing. Her and my younger cousin have the same birthday. So we're checking now. The architecture in this place is so freaking beautiful. Look at that. Awesome. I love it. When I get into the room, I'll show you guys what the room looks like. We're going to be here for 2 days. Today and Friday. So, yeah. Right, so y'all know this vlog is about to be lit. Before we even reach anywhere in the vlog, y'all go ahead, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and drop me a comment down below. Cause I don't know, say yang the vlogger go at. Yeah. Don't forget to follow me on all socials while you're at it at Naturally Miss Toya. Hope you guys like this vlog. I'll see you later. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna look at check-in something. The process is kind of long. I honestly did not expect all of this. I think by now I would have eat. But when we reach the restaurant, we can know what's going on. But I love the ambience, so the ambience is lovely. This is my beautiful girl. Yes, leave it alone if you should have anti-phone. What's the problem with that? Are you pretty? Why you want to play? Why you always complaining about somebody? Oh my god! I must not stay up guys at all. Well, look at me, they feel like nobody never go there. The place full of people. Bad. No, you're not scared. Look at this beautiful view guys. I love it and nice. I'm hungry. Raj, eat up my flag. Yo. Yeah, vlog world. No, me a vlog. Eat up my vlog.
The vlog?
This is my young father, guys. The one who ever comment and I say him too young for be my father.
17?
Yeah.
16.
Yeah, my young father. See me here. Them ever say, oh your father that? Oh your father looks so young. Liana, please. Guys, why Marla must let go? Take your time, please. Oh, grand staircase. Okay. You told me if I walk out, I don't know how to walk. Yeah, we'll soon get some food, okay? Alright guys, so it is after 12. Yes.
My
Say-
bag is in my bag.
Your battles in your bag?
Bag.
Yeah?
That's my big bag.
Yeah?
That's my
Yes, your bat suit is in your bag too. I'm waiting to go share my food. My mom and everybody else gonna share for them food. I'm here with Mala hungry. I'm gonna make her a plate when I finish. So far, I think it's been okay. Only problem I had was in the lobby. It take her time for kind of check-in. I'm gonna really like that. Yeah, everybody soon come. So we get them I have none. Meeting about it and tell you. Meeting about it and tell you. Meeting about it.
Me too.
So that was the only issue. Yeah, that was the only issue. Yeah, it promises to be a good time, so I'm gonna believe it's gonna be a good time. I'm gonna eat now, I'm gonna show them my plate, show the guys what I'm gonna get, like my plans to eat on the place, guys. Like, y'all don't even know. I've been planning for this for weeks. Oh, what is? Why you ambush my vlog, girl? Eh? Why? Uh-oh. Sorry. That's not funny. Why you ambushing my vlog, girl? Drink your water. Are you having fun?
On the water.
Are you having fun? Oh wow, look at my big girl drinking her water. You want to go swimming on the water? Yeah, me too. Yes, baby. It's stuck in your hair. Hold on, let me help. Oh, it come out, see? So yeah guys, no more just a wait. Please don't turn it back out. Stop. My girl.
You have to stop.
That's it, I think on time.
Yep,
Yeah man, they thing man, where they are? Alright. Good God, I'm tired. Guys, the place at. I'm not ask. From the what? From the street. We're at the bus stop. We're at the bus stop waiting for a pickup because it's too hot to walk. Jesus. Bus stop. Guys, I'm looking for grade and I'm come out, you know. At the side. At the side, that's the. Long time. At the two side. Look how great them a come out, man. Them a go on.
I don't have a problem with grey, I just don't want to ball it.
What you say, you not a problem with the grey?
One more, thumbs up.
Cheese. Lovely.
Rat.
Oh my God. Not like that.
I see my camera and my
So you turn on the flash and it work in reverse. You can't use
No
flash
man,
at
no flash, I need flash. Because the light.
No, it's not look good outside, but inside it look normal.
Man, drop the
Say
phone.
hi guys.
Hold up phone in here.
Say hi to the video.
Hold up phone. I taxi you know where to go.
Put my hands outside the vehicle. Baba, what's wrong with your face? I don't know.
57 minutes a day.
Eh?
Oh, no, holy
Just
child.
catch no man.
How much you watch for this?
Ooh.
I want
Keep your arms and legs inside the vehicle.
Yes,
We had to see the woman mask. Hello, where your mask? Broken and teeth people that sitting there. Okay guys, so I wanted to give you guys a little bit of an outfit of the day type of thing. I'm in these jeans. I'm gonna give you another reverse camera soon. Waist beat of course. Showing a little bit of belly today, just a little bit, not a lot, because I don't know I'm still insecure, but I'm gonna look a stretch mark the man thing, but just a little bit of belly. Some jeans. And I want to show you guys the details on these jeans in a few. But just a cute little off the shoulder crop top. It's cropped, like it can be all the way up here if I wish, or down here. I got a new phone case by the way. Because I did really tired for the old one. So but my jeans guys, I don't know how I can show you this. It just has this cute pearl and rhinestone detail on it. I don't know, I never fix my slippers them good yet. So I'm gonna fix this, but y'all know these sandals, I wear them all the time. Arm candy, as usual. And that is today's outfit. Something simple because I want it to be comfy. I'm not have on the makeup. Just some false lashes, of course. And I washed my locks yesterday. This is what I hate about my bracelets. My hair always gets caught in it, but yeah. So I'm gonna fix my pony because it just not sit very right for me. So right now I'm just gonna wash my hands, wash my face. I've been sweating a lot since I got here. Real sweat girl. Gotta wash my hands and wash my face. For like the millionth time today. I'm just a sweat and dry from morning. Give it a cute little dry wash. I didn't wet it completely, I just kind of just tap it with some water. Now I'm gonna try to fix my hair because I don't really like how the pony and catch. But now I give me that vibe there. I didn't do my edges or anything, so. Hi, hello. Let's see.
Coming up guys, I'm right there.
Yeah man.
Then wait something like this again.
I don't know. I don't know.
Okay guys, I'm ready for you.
I can just have 2 glasses of water please.
Is that for yourself?
Yeah, I don't want none else. Alright guys, finally some silence. This is the room. It's not that big, right? The doorway is right there. And then you walk into the room. I think that's supposed to be a closet. So this is the space. It's not that big. It's gonna be me, my aunt, my brother, and Marla in here, basically. And the patio is out there. So it's alright, I guess. I kind of like the setup of the beds a little bit. But yeah, this is basically it. Hey, Baba. Come, baby. You like the room? I'm going to sleep, okay? Come, lie down. Let's take a nap.
No food dirty.
Go wash your foot at the bathroom or something. Pull the door and look for it.
Hi, I'm swimming in the water.
No, you're not swimming in the water yet.
Course.
We're outside, guys, on the patio. They have an outside patio, so it's not a big space. Stop. It's not a big space. It's a pretty little space. I feel like I'm gonna come out here and come edit, but I'm not gonna suck it. No, I can't edit out here. I'm sucking out here. Bummer. But I probably can edit on the patio where we were when we were waiting before. Which probably drop asleep. Yeah, we can probably go this tonight, go edit. Cause I really need to get some editing done. And stuff. Watch a girl! But wait! Are you something, you know? Are you? Raj! To Melissa, yeah.
You got a pool already? Alright, later. Belly full. Later.
Alright guys, quick outfit of the night. We're going to dinner. I have on this you guys have seen this top before. I recorded something in this top, I remember. It's just a cheetah print crop top. Same type of scrunchy detail like the one I had before earlier today. And I have on this bandeau type of skirt with a split. Very, very sexy. Very cute for dinner. And these sandals. I can't see. These are my favorite strap up sandals that have the sparkle details. So yeah.
What's going on here?
Outfit of the night. Red, stop interrupt me now and come on.
Give me a little question now.
Why this man ask you a bus for my vlog? This is my brother.
No, not in our vlog.
If you have not met him, this is my brother. The ugly one.
Come on, thank you.
Anyways.
Get on, you're not done.
No, sir.
Alright, we're done.
Yes, so this is the outfit of the night. That's all I didn't want to know. That's all, like, that's it. It's just cute. No makeup whatsoever, like absolutely none. Absolutely none. And we're nice, you know, skin nice and such delight. So I'm hungry, guys. I'm gonna tell you something I want to go eat. So anyways, of course, I was supposed to show you guys what happened today in terms of the food and everything. Cause we all got a pool, be a wet swimsuit and them something in here right now. But yeah, we're going to go to dinner now, and I'll show you guys bits and pieces of that. This is beautiful. This is so freaking gorgeous. That's dope. I'm not expecting another apology. Yeah, guys. Alright, guys, this is my first plate. Look a bit of everything upon it. Some steak, some ribs, some Mexican, regular chicken, jerk chicken over there, so I can have a glass of red wine, please. You can circle back, everybody gone. They're gonna get food. Give it like time, yeah, man. Yeah, she so come back. So guys, a little bit of everything is on my plate, and now I'm gonna dig in. Forgot to show you what I got for dessert. Carrot cake and chocolate cake. You never take on the dessert, Raj? I'm gonna get a glass of red wine, guys. Yeah, eat, Mama. I got some good things for that sugar. For that plate, yeah? Get pepper steak. Oh, you get what is that plate for you?
Where are you? Where are the red plate?
The pepper steak?
That is from the pork, so we have to go by the
It's different from this way of bread. I don't know where bread is from.
too fat, man.
What's a lot? God. No man have to bust out a laugh.
Like, this is the
What's a lot? God, it's not a bust out a laugh.
The same fat meal when me eat. The little man pull off our table.
Just a one different flavor. The other one was barbecue.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Today is Saturday. Yeah, today is day 2. I had a really good sleep. I still feel tired, which this trip for me was really just me getting some rest, and I kind of achieved that objective last night a little bit, but tonight I want to go out. However, I don't want to go hard today at all. I really want to get some editing done because I brought my laptop and everything. So when I go down to breakfast this morning, I'm going to go breakfast. Everybody else will go beach. I feel like I'm gonna wait look until lunchtime for go to the beach, right? So I'm gonna go to breakfast, come back up, do some work until lunchtime. When at lunchtime now, I'm gonna go back down and then go to the beach, have lunch, go to the beach, probably go to the pool, and then come back up, get ready for dinner, and but I just need to get some editing done because I really, fingers crossed, want to post a video for you guys tomorrow, for Sunday at least, if I'm lucky, maybe 2, because I'm editing 2 vlogs right now. My Instagram is stalled because I have not made a video public, and if you guys follow me, you guys know that's how I do it. So my Instagram posts match up to my YouTube videos, so if I don't edit, my posts on IG will also stall. So anyways, that's what I'm trying to get done today. So breakfast, editing, then lunch, activities and pool and blah blah blah. So your girl I eat, me I eat, yeah. I'ma just empty out the tank so I can fill it back today. Yes, you brush your teeth. Good morning, guys.
Good night.
It's not night, it's morning. Good morning. Right. Okay, so yeah, you want to eat breakfast? Yeah, we're hungry. I'm gonna change this shirt. I just slip on one dress. Women don't necessarily need to wear a bra with. I don't wear bras with anything, still know that I think about it. But anyways, yeah. I just need a dress. So I'm gonna just get a dress. So I'll see you guys at breakfast. Okay. Alright guys, so this is what I'm having. Thank you. This is what I'm having for breakfast. And yes, I'm gonna eat it up. Marla. Yeah, I broke your own eggs, cousin. I broke the egg for you. Hey, Bobby. Where are the Tavia? I make sandcastle. Marla. Marla? Sit down. We are on the beach, guys. I want to give you one swimsuit. What do you call it? I want to give you guys a swimsuit try-on type shit. If I that's it name. But I can't even get the lighting right, so I really don't even know. I have sun everywhere and I'm head everywhere. This is another swimsuit from the same girl that does did the swimsuit for the flavors. Omedigo flavors, Omedigo Oshi. Look for my uncle. It's the same designer. So I don't know. I feel like when I get a better angle when we go to the pool, because we're on the beach now, when I get a better angle and I go to the pool,
I'll be able to show you what the swimsuit actually looks like then.
I appreciate this. Anyways, guys, it is night 2 and mega dinner. This is my outfit of the night. I don't know what pants there. I'm gonna wear that glam can, yeah. To get another movie. Oh my god, guys, my locks are giving me so much freaking life. No makeup, but I never have no time. Even though I didn't want to come out kind of strong tonight, that never worked out for me. Please don't mind the mess. Yeah, the outfit here is the one girl. I love it. Love it. I don't know the crop top too. I recorded a video in this. Don't remember. Oh, I'm gonna get this from a wholesale. I'm gonna get this from a wholesale. Cheap and clean, girl. Of course, my camera brown bag. And on my feet, I have on my same detailed sandals. So yeah, that is my outfit of the night. I'll see you guys at dinner.
You got that sticky. Let's go and take 9 shots. We'll just call it 50. Oh, you look so sweet. What you working fast? Look at your physique. They must have been tripping till that left me off a leash. I love the way you ride.
Uncle Fred, where? No! Don't leave it, leave it. Stop being bad, huh? Just leave. Put your hand on your side. My frost. My frost.
Yeah, the guy.
Let me take a picture with him. Come. Come, let's go. You want to take a picture with him? Yeah? Come. Come now. It's not hot no Marla, man. It don't hot. Stop. Come. Come. Jump up. Hi, Mr. Mascot Man. Hello. Can't you get a picture with you, please? Stand up here, Baba. Look at me. Go over somewhere. Smile, Mila, cheese. Guys, I feel like I want to lie down. We have less than an hour here. Come like nobody know want to go pack up. To check out the people them place. Don't run, Marla. Come on, Marla. You going back up? Come on, try to pin it them pool. Piggy. Caravan again, guys. We're checking out. Everybody look at them at the pen fire, so we're not all along. Sturdy. No man, it lean. Come here, Aim. Yes.
I don't think it's car. Dancing, that is really.
Yeah, it's better Chris car that.
Yeah.
Oh, come driver. Right here.
Right at the bandit.
Yeah, right
No,
here.
I the version with.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, man, you're the right one.
guys, I think it's Monday. Happy Monday. I am back in my own bed. I am back in my own bed, guys. So I know some reach home. Oh my god, that trip was, but still tired. I'm actually here waiting for my 9 o'clock. Yeah, haven't really had breakfast yet, but I'm just there reminisce. But all of the food I've missed. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm definitely want to go back soon. Definitely. I got really like sunburn, especially in the face. But you know, I think exfoliating can fix that. I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Stick around, more content to come. When I know this, thumbs up the video if you guys liked it, and also drop me a comment down below. If you're not already subscribed, guys, you don't know what to do. Hit the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.